Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and it's the holiday season, so this year I wanted to give you a gift. The gift of joy and laughter. What I'm going to attempt to do is every voice I've ever tried to impersonate. Some of these may sound close to the actual voices, and some may just be sad, and I'm sorry, but I hope it makes you laugh. So here we go. Meanwhile, at the Hall of Justice, they're great.
Get in the kitchen, fix me some pie.
Drugs are bad, okay, right, okay. Ooh, ho, 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 ho.
Ha ha, musketeers have big ears. Ha ha.
Ooh, hey Bert, firmly grasp it in your hand. Which is it, young fella? Because if I get down on the floor, I can't rightly freeze. And if I freeze, I can't get down on the floor.
Comrade, the kettlebell is like a grape. Eat your grapes.
Why won't you go to your hole? Yeah, man, you know, you talking about balloons, man. She just sitting there, man. You put your quarter in the machine, man. You beat on, man. She's just sitting there and talking about, you know, she's talking about her knees, man. It's crazy.
Bobby, that boy ain't right.
Wait, I'm gonna need some room for this one. Gonna need some room. This one's more physical. You gotta sit here and laugh with old Timmy who thinks he's, you know, Eddie Murphy. But you know what? He's not Jack Squad. All right, so you might be thinking, what? The whole purpose of this is just to make you smile. So you probably already know this, but smiling makes you move better. And you can test this right now. Come on, you've done this before with me, but let's test your squat. So take a big smile, hold it there, and squat like 5 times while you're smiling. All right, now I want you to frown and pout and try to squat. It doesn't feel as good. So smiling makes you move better, but now extrapolate that and put it towards your entire life. Smiling makes everything better, because if you move better, you feel better. And if you feel better, you think better. And if you think better, you just are better. Everything about you is better. Your whole life gets better. So you've probably heard this before, that laughter is good like a medicine, and that's not true. Laughter is a medicine. Smiling is medicine. It's good for you, and it does make everything better. So this holiday season, I know we're in a crazy world, but smile. Try to find a way to smile. It makes everything better. It makes your crazy a happier crazy. And if nothing else, you've just seen that I do stupid impersonations of cartoon characters. And that's got to make you smile. Anyway, guys, happy holidays. I hope I made you smile a little bit, and I hope you remember to smile, because it does make life better. All right, have a good week. I'm Tim with Original Strength, and we'll see you next time.